You need to see how this system works, as it's paying people 100% commission while building their email list. In this video, I'll break down 3 steps you can take in order to get paid while building your email list.
Email marketing is still king, but did you know you can turn your email list into a cash cow with List Infinity? Let's dive in. Building an email list is like having your own traffic source on demand. With just a click of a button, you can send hundreds, even thousands of potential customers to your offers. So let's get you set up. Step 1. Sign up with the List Infinity program via the link in the description below. Set up your payment gateway, whether it's Stripe, PayPal, Zelle, or others. The best part? You earn 100% commission directly. Step 2. Connect your email autoresponder software inside the List Infinity dashboard. You have choices like GetResponse, Aweber, and my top pick, LeadsLeap. LeadsLeap is affordable and super easy to use. Sign up for LeadsLeap below for free. Step 3. Send traffic to your lead capture page. For beginners, I recommend starting with free organic methods. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Your List Infinity membership includes training videos that show you how to drive traffic without spending money on ads. Guys, do not sleep on this method. Thousands of people are using this exact system to earn money daily while growing their email lists. Check it out for yourself. There are currently over 9,000 members in the private Facebook group. So what are you waiting for? Follow these steps and start turning your email list into a revenue stream today.